You're welcome to my YouTube channel at Signal Lord, and it's nice to be a part of this market where I have my inheritance to flow. All right, just a very quick one. I want to quickly do an outlook on USDJPY. As everyone knows that USDJPY has gotten back to the zone, which is around 151.8.789 thereabout, and most possible outcome on USDJPY based on technical analysis is more of a sell, and for the fact that the Japanese economy has actually been improving, but given for the fact that I think there was a tsunami, the earthquake that affect Taiwan has an effect also on the Japanese economy. So now, with all this in check, there is tendency that USDJPY might still pull up, but then who knows what price will decide to do. So now, why I'm doing this video is to give us an outlook of what USDJPY is most likely going to do. Now, this is my monthly time frame showing that USDJPY has been more of an uptrend. Okay, technically speaking, the trend for USDJPY is up, but then trend can change. So for those that are looking for maybe a swing trade or a position trade, technically speaking, you should be selling because this guy will still fall. It will still fall. Okay. Now, what do I have here? I have a resistance, a previous resistance at this point. So let me mark it very well on my 1 hour time frame. All right. So this is what I have. And don't forget, resistance is not just a line, but resistance is a zone. So technically speaking, I'm supposed to have started selling USJPY. But then on Wednesday, which is next tomorrow, there's going to be a CPI release for the US dollar. And CPI simply means Consumer Price Index. So depending on what the CPI outcome will be, if it is good for dollar, definitely I'm expecting USDJPY to break this zone, to break it and continue to go up. But if not, if the CPI release is bad for dollar, technically speaking, if I'm going to add my moving average, then I should be looking at USDJPY coming all the way down to somewhere around here, which is around, okay, let me get the price level, which is somewhere around 149. 149, I can still add another moving average. Okay, basically, I'm using 21 and 50 moving average. So, uh, I believe they give me possible entries more than any other moving average. Okay, now looking at what I have here, what you can see on my screen, if USDJPY can fall down to 149, then I think I can take my profit from there. Now, should I do instant sell? Um, no, I don't want to take chances. I would rather wait to see what the fundamentals will say before I take any decision right now. But technically speaking, you are expected to be selling USDJPY based on what we can see, based on what we can see on the charts. All right, because it has entered a zone which is resistance zone. But then the reason why you might not really want to start selling is for the fact that there has been times price has gotten there. So times like when somewhere around March, price got there somewhere around so March basically, price got to the highest high and we're expecting a fall. So right now, what should I do on USDJPY? You wait for the outcome of the CPI before you trade. All right, but don't forget, technically speaking, you have to be selling USDJPY, and USDJPY is known to be an uptrend. But when it gets to resistance, you sell it. When it gets to support, you buy. So before I can buy USDJPY, I need to wait for it to fall. After it falls, somewhere around my moving average, I can start buying USDJPY, which is somewhere around 151.608. I can start buying USDJPY. All right. So just quickly want to share this with you guys. All right. Do have a good trading day with CPI. Thank you.